Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Well, today is episode 1 of 12 Days of Christmas with Holly Jolly V. So we're making some clips for the first video. If you follow me on TikTok, you've already seen these. And so I will have my link linked below. So if you want to visit me on TikTok, go ahead and do that. So we're going to start off with die cutting all of these pieces, gluing them together, and I'm using foam, glitter cardstock, and some plain white cardstock. So this is it right here. I will show the Sizzix die that I used. I'm also using diamond dots for the eyes and nose, and also for the buttons of the gingerbread. And these are very teeny tiny, and so they are, just have to work with them. I'm using liquid glue. Excuse the background noise. So I'm just going to add those diamond dots to the Santa, and I love his button nose. I made it pink for the diamond dots. I thought black would have been a little bit too animal-like, more like a, canine, but I made it pink, and so I thought pink was best considering it's winter, and I love how Santa looks. So what initially started this craft was I went to Hobby Lobby. I'm using glossy accents there too. I do use glossy accents for the clips just to keep them in place. I sometimes glue with the hot glue with the weather will come off, and you just never know with hot glue, so I don't like them popping off, so I have to use glossy accents. I think it's a stronger adhesive, and especially on that metal it'll hold best. So there it is, you guys. So yes, I went to Hobby Lobby and I wanted to get some of those stickers, the 3D stickers. They have Santa stickers, reindeer stickers, and they only had one. And I was going to use that to make clips. Well, they only had one pack, so there's everything, all three of them. They're so cute. So here's the die right here. Sorry I'm jumping all around, but I only have under 7 minutes. And so I do use the foam from Joann's and also Hobby Lobby. So I do a toggle between the two. So these are the diamond dots from Joann's. And so I wanted to make some clips using Hobby Lobby stickers and was unable, and I remembered I had the Sizzix die, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just make my own, and I think they came out so cute. So I made my own using the Sizzix dies. So here's the Gingy with the Santa hat. I think he just looks so festive, so I had to put that Santa hat. I'm so happy that I had everything on hand, considering that Hobby Lobby didn't have enough stickers. So just gluing the little buttons per se on the gingerbread, and again using hot glue, not hot glue, I'm using liquid glue. So just take your time. The little squiggly lines and the smiley face are from the die. So this is perfect to add and make them as embellishments. You don't even have to add the clip, just embellishments for your swaps and pen pals, and also gifting to everyone during Christmas, and also putting them on some gift bags, especially with Christmas and the holidays. We are making and baking and sending stuff off and gifting, and so I needed clips, and well, these ones I wanted to gift and also make some extras for myself. Okay, just gluing the eyes, and I'm going to add the hat. And you guys, I really hope you liked the first episode, and stay tuned for more. So I am going to be hopping around, so I'm not calling it day 1, day 2. It's episode 1, episode 2. So you will get a video Sunday and Wednesday, and occasional bonus video here and there. So just bear with me. I want to accommodate and do a series, as well as have time for family and with the holidays. I want to mention that the die I used for the snowman is a 2021 Sizzix die, and the other die for the Santa and gingerbread is an old one. It's 2017. I did use hot glue for the Santa hat only because it was so small and it's sitting at the edge of his head, and so it would have fell off. I needed something sturdy and strong, and I thought that the hot glue would be best because it does sit at the edge and the glue does ooze out when applying to mediums like this, and I thought it would ooze out and cling to the cardstock underneath. So, and it worked. I'm also using a diamond dot for the Santa hat, and it's so little. I did use some liquid adhesive for that. So there's Gingy. He's so cute. Can make these pink as well. And these ones I'm gifting to someone. So they are the traditional. I'm using the Recollections glitter cardstock for Michael's and adding a dollop of glue as well as the glossy accents, just like the Santa clip. Well, you guys, this concludes the video. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it. It's a very small and easy craft, and stay tuned for episode 2. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.